Good morning, I'm Jim from Delaware Valley Septics. We're out on Squires Lane in Westchester, Pennsylvania today, doing a pipe repair for a client. He had gotten a couple other opinions, didn't quite think that that was the right fit for him. So we came up with a plan to solve his issues currently and moving forward. Able to 90 right around here and fire all the way to the other side of the trench.
Yeah.
How serial trenching works is it fills up the entire first trench and then zigzags back over, so it kind of snakes down the hill.
But you were down 8 feet, you were all the way down there?
Yep.
Oh, there's a pipe that runs down there?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, it comes down here, it turns into perforated pipe here, where it meets the stone, and kind of spreads out from there. So at 90s around, I don't have enough leverage when I'm trying to push my camera. So when we get on this side of it, I'll be able to go around to see, is the pipe pinched? Is there something going on? Is it broke? Is it dislocated? What's going on? It wasn't clogged up there. What I did was dislocated the blockage. So if you ever like hit something with a plunger, you're moving the water and putting pressure back and forth on it, not necessarily up there, but it kind of jostled it, and I think some of it went away down here.
Gotcha.
So now that it's away, we can camera through and see exactly where that issue was. But I had like less than 10%.
We just had a backup on Christmas Eve, and the water was just flowing up over the pavement. So I was like, holy crap, there must be something going on. And sure enough, there's some gurgling noises in the toilet and things like that. So then, you know, the next day or whatever, we called the guys out that we usually use, and they told us we needed a whole new system. 30 grand, 40 grand. And I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. So I got these guys, did some work for one of my neighbors, Delaware did. And I said, all right, well, I'll give these guys a shot. And he comes out and is like, yeah, that's not the problem. The problem's over here, you know? So I'm like, are you serious? He's like, yeah, the problem's over here. It's not back there. You know, you don't need a whole system. It's still dry down here. And I'm like, that sounds cheaper. He says, yeah, it's a lot cheaper. I was like, okay, let's go with that. Because, you know, who the hell, you know, I don't want to spend 30, 40 grand on something if we can fix it for 3 grand, you know? So, you know, I'm damn glad I called these guys, and they came right out and told me what was going on. A week later, they said they could be out here and fixing it. And I'm like, here we are.
We were able to give the client a cheaper repair that kept him from having to spend a large amount of money on a replacement system. So if you are in a situation where you don't know where to turn, you don't know who to call, and you live in the Chester County, Delaware County, Montgomery County, Bucks County area, give us a call, we'll come out, we'll give an evaluation for you and tell you what we think.